way to the beach right now. It's currently 5:27. So we're going to watch the sunrise. And to our surprise, there's tons of people at this time. It's only 5:27. There's already a lot of people at the beach. Look at that. They're waiting for the sunrise because the sunrise is in about a few minutes from now. And yeah.
Where did everyone come from?
I'm not sure. I guess people here are a morning person. Look at that. It's only like 5. It's now 5:30, I think. This is 5:30 a.m. here in Danang, Vietnam, you guys. Guys, look at this. It's only 5:30 a.m. here. Everyone's around working out. Isn't that cool? Already working out this early. And look how many people are swimming right now. So cool. We decided today to go early and literally walk outside to check the sunrise, and to our surprise we didn't know how much people are outside at this time. Look how freaking active people here are, which is really good.
We thought we were
morning people, but look at that.
I think around 9 everyone's gone already.
Yeah, because I think not even 9. I think around 8.
Yeah.
It's starting to get really warm here.
It's like the beach closes by 8 a.m.
The sun is about to come out. Wait, what time is it? 5:40?
37.
5:37? Look at that. Sunrise in Danang, Vietnam. I got my strawberry yogurt. Mel got his hot cappuccino. Just look at the view.